So dear students, welcome you all on this coaching and listen to me. Just only we are going to start the debate. It's a fine day. Once again, a very warm welcome to you all. And dear students, you all are welcome in this coaching. Let's start. Keep in mind, there are two teams. The first one team is there from the intelligent students from 12th class, and there is another team. Don't take them granted. If you think that they are teensy pingy, they will definitely try to kill you because they are very, invincible at English. Invincible, you know already. Let's start. So this is the team Warriors, and this is the team Titanic. And the captain of this team is Miss Arya. Stand up, please. Only Miss Arya. What is your topic?
Sir, village life is more better than
Village
city
life is better than city life. All right. And the captain of the Warriors, Miss Princey. What's your topic? Who is the captain? Mr. Aditya, stand up, please. What is the topic? In which side you are? City life. Who will start? You or they? They will. Right? You are ready that come and kill me. Shoot me very first. If again I am revived, then I will shoot you. Now never. You should have you should have taken the opportunity very first. So Miss Arya, kill them now. They are
Sir,
ready to-
according to me, village life is better than city life because in village life you get clean air and cities use air purifiers for those clean airs.
Louder, clearly. Now, who will give the answer? Who will give the answer? Very first captain will oppose. Yeah, please, quickly hand over it without taking time.
In this time, fresh air is important, but in this time, education is most important. But there is no good schools and institute of village.
I'll take it closer, please. All right. No, wait. Oh, okay, fine.
As you said that there are no institution of education in village, but
This
then
is the way.
sir,
Carry on. Louder.
but then also
Kill
sir, but then also the students of village are qualifying the exams like NEET, UPSC and many other competitive exams. So why are the city students too much like backwards from the village students? Even if there is no facility of education over there.
Right. Miss Prachi. Sit down, Aditya. Everybody, play fast, make it fast.
Okay, what is your village name?
What is your
From which village you are coming?
Oh my God, she is going to blast at them.
Speak up, tell me.
Please, she is asking for your village name. Yes, you can say.
So why are you here? You should in your village. You are here. You just want to escape from your village. That's why you are studying here. Because you are studying here. That's why you are studying here. Because you are just want to escape your village. That's why you are studying here. You are becoming a successful person. From village, it is not impossible. It is very hard.
So firstly, tell me, Khanga is a city or town?
It's a city, but it's not village. It's not village. It is not village.
So it is. We can neither call it city or we can neither call it village. So it is not a city. So you cannot oppose it from the way of Khanga that if we are studying in Khanga.
Okay,
Yes.
you are saying that.
Wait. Give it to Mr. Divyanshu. Give it to Mr. Divyanshu. All right. Don't worry. Sit down.
Firstly, I have to say what's up, Blazers. You are saying that you will do your whole study from Khaga. You have to go to the another city to start your essay.
So how can you say that the person who are studying in
Right,
village
Divyanshu.
so tell me that the person who are studying from their city is like the person who was in city, they going for their big schools that the person cannot achieve anything. They don't achieve
Right.
anything. So how can you say that the person is
Yes, if a person want to become a successful person, he have to go the city. That there is a big college, but
they also have to
there is a best college rather than village.
city is formed by village, not anything.
Right. Yes.
Actually, I wanna say to you that you can achieve in anything anyway in life. You go in city and you can achieve it. And he
If you give them chance, they will defeat you. Come on.
anything you achieve in good study, so you go in city, because there are many types of college in city, none other than village, because village
Yes. Speak up. So stop it. Now give the answer. Hand over this mic to Princy.
So I want to say that
Sit down.
the online classes are found for the students who are not able to go to city for study, because so that's why village students can also study by online classes and they can also get
Right on.
But the students who are going on the city, they are losing their most of the time in doing different activities, not studying.
Right. Princy, answer please.
But tell me, if the teacher teaching in a
Louder.
student in any institution, so I think the institution is established in a city.
Right.
But it is available for everyone in online and offline both.
I'm talking about your institute. You can establish your institution in a village or not? Tell me the answer.
Yeah, wow. What a
So, the Khan Sahib started his institute in firstly village. Then
Oh
he went
my
to
God.
Okay. So why he in this time where he is teaching? In this time where he is teaching, his aim was teaching in a city. That's why he started it from his village.
His aim was not for teaching in the city.
In this time he is with.
Complete my point.
Right. Yes.
Most of the students of India. So he went to a large stage to perform him that he is a good teacher, so that many of the students of many states can come to him for study.
Right.
I'm talking about where.
Wait, Princy. Hand over this to Jenny. And hand over this to Mr. Ujjwal. Alright. What is this? I have many at home. They're very small. One didn't come, but they can do anything. Come on now. What is this? Yes. Kill.
I can explain.
Yeah, why not?
So according to me, city life is more important than village life, much important than village life, because if where the peoples who have a basic needs, so which will be fulfilled in the city life, because there are many students who want to study in the best college, best school. So we will went to the village, when we will went to the city, and that's we will gain the best and efficient knowledge.
Yes, you. What
If
do
you want to
you
get good knowledge, you can also get by online classes.
So online classes is not afford each and every person, because there are many disadvantages, like the eye problems. If the person who studies 10 hours 13 hours with the screen time, so how can you say that's online?
Mobile protection in mobile.
Yeah, I know that, but it's not very reliable for eyes, because eyes is most important than your like protection, such types of protection.
We cannot study from mobile only. We study only 1.5 hours or 2 hours only.
But if you are live in a city, so you have
living in the city?
if you are living in a city, so you have a better knowledge gets from your school, not from 1 and 2 hours in your mobile.
Alright, yes.
But if you want to get knowledge, so you can also get by online classes.
Okay,
So
hand over it to mic to Mr. Prakhar. And there is Miss Kamini. Stand up, please. Give the mic. Yes, speak up. Yes.
You know very well, so there was a big problem of gas cylinder. So what did city people do? They are
Yeah, right.
facing
What
many
do the city
problems.
people do? There is a crisis of gas cylinder.
They
Yes.
doesn't cook the food, but people who live in village, they know very well to cook food. They are
Right. Do you have any answer? Mike, hand over it to Mr.
It is an electronic problem
Nitin.
of gas cylinders.
Speak up in the mic. Yes. Sorry, friends. Come on, start now. Yes.
It is an electronic problem of gas induction, because
No, it is a short-term problem. It is a short-term problem. Speak up.
It is a short-term problem.
Because war is going on. बोलो बोलिए.
Because war is going on between
the USA and Iran.
हाँ.
But after some time there is no problem. But village lady, बोलो ना.
But village lady,
they use
use but
earthen stove.
but
Earthen stove.
earthen stove
And they lost their eyesight.
and lost their eyesight.
Then they go to the city for treatment.
Then they
Go to the city for treatment.
then they go to city for treatment. So
City life is.
but the city life is
Because I am their supporter here. Yes, come on, please.
but city life is more important than
All right.
village life.
Village life, yes. And Miss Prachi, come on, stand up, please. I want to see the war here, house war here. You guys both are sisters and sisters. Kill now. Come on, please. Respect. Start.
Village life is better than city life because
Because sister are there.
because the people who live in a village they learn village culture because but who lives in a city they cannot learn our culture because without culture we cannot get success.
All right,
How can you say? How can you say that without culture you cannot get success? In America and in many other countries, people don't follow culture. But in India, everywhere everyone follow culture. In city. The person who lives in city also follows culture. You see the schools and colleges, police offices. You can see there are so many cultural programs are going on in Republic Day, Independence Day. How can you say that there is no cultural programs?
How can you say this?
Because the teacher who teach our culture he learn in village.
They learn your right.
How can not every teacher village does not produce all of the teachers.
Listen to me. He's saying right. The village people listen to me. This is the culture of village. The village people sing Sitaram, Radheshyam. They read the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. They tell their children about sacrament. Listen to me. But city people they sing Hiri song. Chalti kya? So village life is
No, sir. No, sir. The books, sir. The books which were
Okay, right.
The books, sir.
Hand over this mic to Mr. Arun.
The books, sir. I have one point. Sir.
Hand over it. Kill.
According to me, village life is better than city life because in COVID-19, every city people came to village.
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on. It was push the video and again start the video.
Every city people came to village to live here.
Stop and restart. He doesn't know how to do. You are just stop and another video. Yes.